Oh my god, an airplane. I love airplanes, but not right now. And now the cicadas too. God damn it. Oh my god, it's so loud. That's a cool shot of the plane. Okay, so I'm gonna start off this video with a little bit of story time. Last time we saw this car was about 3 or 4 months ago, in my first ever video. I am joined by the loud cicadas and the beautiful sunset over here in Texas. My story is about this car, my 2020 Toyota Camry SE. Recently, this happened, and it led to this. And now the car's back from the repair, all good. I've had driven it around 28,000 miles now. The car's been amazing to me, and when that happened, when I hit that pole, there's a steel rod in the middle of the road. I caused that, by the way. When I hit that steel rod, I saw an appreciation of the car came, and how much things cost and how valuable cars are. This is a final impressions video on the 2020 Camry, but when I did get my wheels back and new tires, I did not get my green valve caps back. So I do have a little something for it. A little mod that people usually end up forgetting about. Boom. Valve caps, red valve caps for the Camry. Put this on the spot. Put these on. Toyota emblem valve caps, red stems. What is that? Ooh. Nice. With the silver inlays in them. Let's just take it out. The brakes are hot. Brakes are hot. And do that. Nice. Now let's do that on all fours. Let's put this in there. Another goddamn airplane. No, I forget I live next to an airport. Seems like every time an airplane passes over, the cicadas come back, so maybe cicadas like airplanes. By the way, I've seen you guys are really fond of this watch that I'm wearing, so I have a link for it down in the description. It's a Seiko 5 Sport, the SRPD 5.1 blue face. If you're a watch guy, you might think I had good taste, but if you're a try-hard, insane watch guy, you might want to kill me or something. I don't know. But if you like this watch, link in the description. Thank you so much. These will also be linked in the description. There are other tags. There's an Audi one, and there's regular red ones for your cars. If you guys want red valve caps or this Seiko watch, check the description box. I'll have them linked below. Those look good. Those are nice. I quite like them, actually. Nice. Let's go on our final drive here, guys. Don't have keyless start, but we'll make do with what we have. Plug in my phone. Got an oil change due soon. Going to hopefully get something sorted. All right. We have the nav pulled up here. Let's bring up CarPlay, put in drive, and let's go. So, as I've stated before, Camry, the king of commuters, This is a really good platform to have. I am going the wrong way. Oh shit, no exit. Well, I'm exiting today. Thank you guys so much for the views on the first video. 4,000 views on the first YouTube video is quite amazing, so thank you guys so much. We are losing light pretty quickly here, guys. I'm gonna try to get this drive out of the way and get the front impressions out of the way. Yeah, car, it happened on this road actually where the incident happened, but no, I wasn't hurt, no one else was hurt, no other cars were involved. I guess it just opened my eyes on how dependent people are on these machines. I know sometimes we take these things for granted, the things that we call machines, cars, things that are supposed to take us from point A to point B, and that we get mad at if they don't do their job properly. But cars have a special place in people's hearts. Oh my god, I think there was just an accident, and I hope they're okay. But yeah, things like this they do happen, and all you can do is just take good care of your vehicle, treat it right, feed it the right things, just like your baby, you know. As far as the Camry goes, this holds a special place in my heart. This car belongs to my parents, so I don't want to ruin it for obvious reasons, right? As far as the ride goes, it's still as supple as it was brand new with 0 miles. 28,000 miles in. This car has been nothing but a cloud to drive on. It is absolutely amazing how plush the ride is, how smooth it is, how much I don't care about the other people around me and the road in front of me. Nothing gets in my way, and it's just so easy. It's so just effortless to move, to drive, to go through. It is not quick, however. There is some downfalls. It's not quick. It's not very engaging. It's supposed to just lift you and do the work for you. It's essentially what the Camry is going to do for you. But overall, the SE Nightshade Edition does give it some flair. Good black accents, mirror caps up front, badges in the rear spoiler. As the interior goes, the SE does not have push button start. Nothing. This is not the updated infotainment system with the big tablet in the middle. I don't know which one I prefer. Gotten used to this one, so I do like this quite a lot. Sound system in this car is not something to write home about. Let's go ahead and just play something here real fast. Alright. This is Moonbeam by Jordan Marin, Captain Sparkles. Amazing guy. Good music. This song has a lot of bass in it, so let's turn it up. As you can see, you have to turn up the music pretty loud to actually hear it. Volume 23 to get some good sound out of it. This is with the bass pretty high, treble pretty high, the mid-range around the middle towards the higher range of the decibels. It is a good car to cruise in. Just listen to music. But yeah, sound system is good whenever you crank it up as high as you can. Toyota infotainment, pretty good. Shows your trip information, your best MPG so far. Apple CarPlay is front and center for you to click on if you want to switch back. And Toyota emblem right here, switch back to your infotainment. Shows the song currently playing, shows my phone connected to USB. We do have a 12 volt down here, USB, 2 ports in the center console and 2 ports out back behind the armrest. Everything is just super easy to control. You're missing some features on the SE that you will get with the XSE instead. But yeah, that's it, guys. That's my final video on this car, my final impressions. Again, guys, don't take your vehicles for granted. You never know what could happen to them. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. This is my 30,000 mile check-in on my Toyota Camry. Hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you guys so much. I'll talk to you guys later.